The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Good morning and welcome to this virtual admission ceremony for new attorneys. Ms. Guerrero, please proceed.
Good morning and may it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 34 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this morning does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
The justices considered this motion earlier, and they have authorized me to grant the motion. I want to take this opportunity, Ms. Guerrero, to thank you for all the work you do on the admissions process. Thank you. I also want to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness who serve in a pro bono capacity for all the work they do on the admissions process. The Deputy Clerk of the Court, the Honorable Margaret Soa, will now administer the oath of office.
Good morning, Justice Friedman. Good morning, candidates. Candidates, please raise your right hand. I will recite the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counsel at Law according to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your hands and please remute your microphones.
I invite the members of the panel to unmute their microphones and give the new attorneys a round of applause. It is the custom of the court for one of the justices to address the new attorneys. This morning, that privilege falls to me. Because these proceedings have already gone on for some time, I will be brief. To begin, I want to congratulate and welcome the new lawyers who have just been admitted to the bar of the state of New York, and also to congratulate their families and friends who have helped them on their journey to this day. I know that this is a very special day for all of you, as it should be. Your presence here today is the culmination of many years of extraordinary effort and sacrifice by you and your loved ones. Each of you met the difficult challenges that were presented and have earned the right to be admitted to the bar ceremony. Although it has been many years since I was admitted, I can still remember my admission ceremony as if it were only yesterday. The experience remains with me. It was the moment that I began a legal career that has always been exciting and challenging. Since that time, my reverence for the practice of law has only increased. The pandemic from which we are emerging and the technological innovations that the courts and lawyers have used to avoid some of the effects of that pandemic highlight the fact that change is a constant of the legal world in the 21st century. A successful legal career involves frequent adaptation to new and unexpected circumstances in technology, in society, and in the law itself. As President Lincoln wrote in 1862, we must rise with the occasion. As our case is new, so we must think anew and act anew. It is my fervent hope that each of you, new members of the bar, will rise with the occasion and meet all of the challenges that the future is sure to bring. You should also bear in mind that it's a good idea to always act with common decency. Do unto other lawyers as you would have them do unto you. Decency and love thy neighbor do not seem to be rules of practice for a profession where the motto usually is that the only thing that matters is to win. The facts are that they are valuable rules of practice. Reputations are established and usually rapidly. It is hard to change a bad reputation, and a lot of benefits flow from having a good one. As new attorneys, develop your craft. Immerse yourself in all facets of the area you are working in. If you are a trial lawyer, go and watch the performance of some of the great ones. Not only will it be entertaining, it will also be educational. I would remind you that although you have graduated law school, passed the bar, and have become lawyers, your legal education has only just begun. You will be required over the next few years to absorb a tremendous amount of knowledge. While this will certainly be challenging, I would like to tell you that these years will be some of the most exciting in your career. Relish every moment and learn all that you can learn. Eventually, your career will take you to a crossroads at which you will want to stop, reflect, and measure your success as a lawyer. How will you do that? Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, in a private letter to Justice Cardozo, wrote that the measure of success is not the power, place, prestige, or prominence a person achieves, but rather the trembling hope of striving each day to attain cherished ideals. Sounding a similar note, Justice Cardozo himself called upon lawyers to adopt what he called the true spirit of the bar. Giving full scope to his characteristic eloquence, Justice Cardozo imparted the following ringing message to the new lawyers of his day. Now it lies with you to uplift what is low, to erase what is false, and to redeem what has been lost, till all the world shall see, and seeing shall understand, that union of the scholar's thought and the mystic's yearning, the knight's ardor and the hero's passion, which is still, in truest moments of expression, the spirit of the bar. Make that your spirit of the bar in whatever field you choose to practice, and you will go far. Congratulations again and best of luck. My remarks are now concluded. This admission ceremony is now adjourned.
Justices, go while they can off, and the new attorneys will stay on with me.